Today, I'll show you the 3 psychological triggers every website must have if you actually want to sell. Your website doesn't need to be prettier, it doesn't need more pages, it needs psychology. Because people don't buy with logic, they buy with emotion, and then justify it with logic. First, you need authority. People trust experts, not amateurs. If your website doesn't prove you're the expert, they'll assume you're not. Authority can be built with testimonials, certifications, logos of past clients, and even the way you write your copy. Some people need to be shown why they should trust you before you ask them to buy. Second, you need social proof. We're wired to follow the crowd. When we see others choosing something, we feel safer doing it. That's why reviews, case studies, even showing numbers like how many businesses you served instantly increases trust. If your website feels empty, people think maybe nobody else trusts them either. Third, you need urgency and scarcity. People act fast when they feel like they might miss out. If you don't give them a reason to act now, they'll delay. And delay usually means never. This could be limited time offers, limited spots, or even clear calls to action that make the next step obvious. Urgency isn't pressure, it's clarity. So remember, a website that sells isn't built on design alone. It's built on authority, social proof, and urgency. Add these 3 triggers to your site and watch the visitors turn into buyers. Because at the end of the day, business isn't just about websites, it's about psychology.